We get some adults too, that'd be cool. Let's try that. Well, the rock-a-bye boogie is the latest way to rock your baby to sleep. Come on! Rock-a-bye boogie is guaranteed to rock your baby to sleep. But don't do a thing unless you sing the rock-a-bye boogie. Everybody jump! Rock-a-bye boogie, rock-a-bye boogie, rock. 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 Rock-a-bye boogie, rock-a-bye. Rock-a-bye baby, rock-a-bye baby, sleeping in a big treetop. When the band begins to blow, the cradle gonna rock and rock. When the band breaks, the cradle gonna blow, baby gonna blow his top. Come on baby, jump! Rock-a-bye boogie, rock-a-bye boogie, rock. 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 Okay, everybody spin around.